Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you profile image in ASP.NET Core. So this is the demo project actually, and after that I will design you the new project for you to demonstrate how to upload the image profile image in ASP.NET Core, and also how to show the profile image in ASP.NET Core applications. So just add by using the file control, add image, that is 2.jpg, and that is the profile image for you. And just create your create registrations, and after when we click on the profile email address, then you can show your profile image. Now log out and again log in and check. Yeah, that's fine. Now after that, create a new project in Visual Studio, and I have a old one also. By using the old one, we can design a new project, that is profile image, and change authentication, that is individual user authentication. Yeah, the first task I want to set in the startup.cs file. Sorry, first step is to create model in the model folder, that is the application user class. Okay, now application user class is inherited from identity user class, and if you want to customize your identity, then add some attribute or data in the application user class. So I have a image path, that is the string type. Now after that, you can add like this, add identity core from the old project to the new project, that is in the startup.cs file. Now replace the matrimonial with the application user class in the startup.cs file. So just stop your video and check that service.add identity core, add role, add claim principal factory, add entity framework stores, add default. Okay, now after that, you can add a new folder, that is infrastructure, and in the infrastructure folder you can add iUnit of work interface. In the iUnit of work interface, you can add methods. In this interface, we have only one method, that is upload image, and with the iForm file. Now add a new folder, that is the name service. Now add a class in the service folder, that is unit of work, and that class is implemented by the iUnit of work interface. iUnit of work interface have with the only single method, upload image, and copy that code from the old project to the new project, where we have iHosting environment to create a upload folder in www root folder. Now also copy that code from the old project and paste in the new project for upload file in www root folder, or you can say save the file in www root folder. So use async method, get path and file name. Also copy from the old project and paste in the new project to ensure file name. Okay, now the upload image logics is clear, where your file exists, that is uploads folder in www root folder. Now after that, you can add identity by using scaffolding. New scaffolding, add identity, override all files and select application DB context class. Now just after adding the identity server or files in areas where account folder exists in the page folder, you can add application user class in application DB context class that is available in data folder. Now just open register.cshtml file, that is the code behind file, and replace the identity user with the application user class, because your image path actually exists in application user class, and you know application user class is inherited by the identity user class. So also add image path in the input model, and identity user is replaced with the application user class, and image path is getting from input.image path, that is in the register.cshtml.cs file. Now open the HTML file of register.cshtml actually. Now copy that code and paste it here for the file control. Image path, and just remove file. Input type equals to file and name also the file, and also add a new attribute in the form tag, that is enc type, encoded type you can say, and that is a multi-part form data. And in the onPost async method you can add iForm file, because when you submit the form with the file, there is iForm file have with a file parameter. Now add to upload the file, you can use a dependency injection. So you can add iUnitOfWork with the UnitOfWork variable. Also add that file, iUnitOfWork in the constructor also. UnitOfWork and UnitOfWork. Use underscore UnitOfWork dot upload image. Now UnitOfWork dot upload image, that is in the upload image you can add file. Okay, and just remove that section. Image path is actually contain file.file name. Okay, so you can add the file name in the database table by using the file.file name. Now just open manage folder and also open index.cshtml file in the manage folder, where you can see the image file actually. Okay, so if you want to show the images, then first of all add image path in the index model, and on get async method you can pick the file from the database table. So you can use user, because actually user is the user manager class, but user manager is use identity user, you know that in the index model just after the class name you can see the identity user. Actually identity user is replaced with the application user class. So just doing this, just add migration in the project. So open package manager console and update database. That is the first migration in the project, and after that you can use image path equals to user dot the identity user class is replaced with the application user class. Okay, because the image path actually exists in the application user class, so use user manager with the application user class. So user dot then find the image path. Now just open the HTML file of the index.cshtml file that is available in the manage folder. Add a new image tag in the just after the username, src uploads, and the @model, because the model is index model dot image path, and the class is the image dot thumbnail, that is in the bootstrap. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Now start your project and check your image profile image is set to the database table. Oops, actually dependency is not added in the startup.cs file, so add unit of work with the singleton dependency injections. Add transit and a unit of work, that is the interface name, and the repository name, that is the unit of work, and both are a different folder, or you can say that different namespace. So just add this in the startup.cs file and again start your project. Now register by using the register link and check it, your image profile image in the browser. Yeah, that's fine.